The Little Girl Who Wanted to Learn How to Crochet a Blanket, a short story for everyone learning something new. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a bright-eyed and curious little girl named Annie. Annie had a heart full of imagination and a spirit as vibrant as the colors in a rainbow. Her closest companion was a fluffy white dog named Yarny, who had a tail that wagged like a metronome, always in tune with Annie's boundless energy. One sunny morning, Annie discovered a world of wonders on her computer. A picture her big sister Lily sent, of her and Grandma surrounded by balls of colorful yarn, her nimble fingers dancing gracefully with crochet hooks. Annie was captivated by the way Grandma showed Lily how to transform plain yarn into intricate patterns and cozy creations. Wide-eyed and eager, Annie approached her sister. "Lily, can you teach me how to crochet?" she asked, her voice full of hope. Lily looked down at her little sister and smiled warmly. "Of course, Annie. I'd be delighted to teach you." Annie clapped her hands in excitement, and Yarny barked happily, as if he understood the adventure that lay ahead. Lily explained the essentials. She showed Annie the different types of crochet hooks and various yarns, each with its own texture and color. Together, they selected a soft, pastel yarn that reminded Annie of the springtime flowers in their garden. With patience and gentle guidance, Lily demonstrated how to create a simple chain stitch. Annie clumsily mimicked her sister's movements, her fingers fumbling with the yarn and hook. But she was determined to learn, and she persisted, her determination fueling her progress. Days turned into weeks, and Annie's skills grew. She learned to create single and double crochet stitches, turning rows into squares and squares into rectangles. With each new stitch, her confidence swelled, and she marveled at the magic she was creating with yarn and hook. One cool autumn afternoon, Annie decided it was time for her first big project. She envisioned a warm and cozy blanket that would keep her friends snug during the upcoming winter. With Yarny's tail wagging in approval, Annie set to work. She worked tirelessly, day and night, pouring her love and creativity into every stitch. The colors of the yarn blended like a dream, forming a masterpiece of warmth and comfort. Yarny, always by her side, watched her progress, offering occasional barks of encouragement. Finally, after weeks of dedication, the blanket was complete. It was a tapestry of love, with patterns that represented the flowers from their garden, the stars that lit up their night sky, and the joyful memories Annie had shared with her friends. Annie carefully wrapped the blanket in a bow and, with Yarny's help, delivered it to her friends. They gathered around, their eyes shining with gratitude and amazement. Annie felt a warmth in her heart, knowing that she had created something special for the people she cared about. As winter arrived, Annie, Yarny, and their friends cuddled under the cozy blanket. It was not just a blanket. It was a symbol of Annie's determination, her sister's guidance, and the love they all shared. Together, they laughed, told stories, and felt the warmth of their friendship, wrapped in the love of Annie's handmade masterpiece. And so, in that little town, Annie, the girl with a heart full of dreams, her trusty companion Yarny, and the magical art of crochet brought warmth, love, and joy to everyone they touched. We hope that you enjoyed the story of Annie, the little girl who wanted to learn how to crochet a blanket. If you would like to learn how to crochet, there are many ways to learn. Have a friend or family member teach you how to crochet. Purchase or get a book from the library. Watch a YouTube video on how to crochet. Take an online tutorial or class. Find free crochet patterns online that are easy to crochet when learning. Purchase one crochet hook to get started. Typically a size G or H works great for beginners. Get one skein of inexpensive worsted weight yarn to practice with. Once you feel comfortable with the different crochet stitches, you can start a pattern. A scarf or small blanket is one of the easiest projects to begin crocheting. Practice and ask questions of other crocheters to learn new tips and techniques. Most of all, have fun, enjoy yourself. Crocheting is a great hobby to learn. It helps with everyday stress and relaxation. Best of all, you can create beautiful gifts for everyone. If you are looking for information on how to learn to crochet, check out the helpful links below for book suggestions, tutorials, and videos. Thanks for watching. Check out more of Craft Drawer YouTube videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.